Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are looking at the number of left-handed students and right-handed students at Keisel Middle School. Now, we are told that there are 5 times as many right-handed female students as there are left-handed female students. So we say let x equal the left-handed female students, then 5x, 5 times as many, would be the right-handed female students. And we're told that there's 9 times as many right-handed males as there are left-handed males. So if we let y equal left-handed males, then 9 times that, 9y, would be right-handed males. We are told that there's a total of 18 left-handed students. So the left-handed females plus the left-handed males equals 18. So therefore x plus y equals 18. We're told that 122 right-handed students in total. So therefore right-handed females plus right-handed males, which is 5x plus 9y, has to equal 122. So now we have 2 equations with 2 variables. And we can say, okay, we can solve this by elimination. If we multiply everything in this equation by 5, we get 5x plus 5y plus 5 times 18 is going to be equal to 90. Now we can eliminate by subtracting one equation from the other. 5x minus 5x is 0. 9y minus 5y, 9 minus 5 is 4y, is equal to 122 minus 90, which is 32. Now we want to solve for y. So dividing out, we get that y is equal to 32 divided by 4 is 8. If we want to solve for x, well, we know that x plus y equals 18. So therefore, if y is 8, x plus 8 equals 18. Subtracting 8 on both sides, we get x is equal to 18 minus 8 is 10. So, from this information, we know that left-handed female, we knew that was x, so there's 10. Right-handed female was 5 times that, so 5 times 10 is 50. We have left-handed male, we said was y, which is 8, and then right-handed male, we said was 9 times that, so 9 times 8 is 72. So now we know that there's 10, 50, 8, and 72 in all of these groups for the total number of students. Now, the question which we are asked is, what is the probability that a right-handed student selected at random is female? So out of the 122 total right-handed students, what is the probability that one of them is female? Well, out of the 122 students, we know that 50 of them are right-handed females. So the probability is going to be 50 divided by 122, which, if you do it out, is roughly 0.49 and so on. And this is extremely close and would probably be equal to, if you rounded it properly, 0.410, which means A is going to be your final solution. Given this information, the probability that a right-handed student selected at random is female is roughly 0.410. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.